Hi everybody, this is Jeff with Travel with a Flair, your Princess Cruise expert. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between the Princess Plus and the Princess Premier package when you're booking your next Princess Cruise. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're ready to book your next cruise, our information is below. Technically, you have three options when you book your next Princess Cruise: Princess Standard, Princess Plus, or Princess Premier. Princess Standard is just your basic cruise fare. You're buying your room and you're getting your basic food and your basic drinks included in your cruise fare.
Let's talk about what's included in Princess Standard. Your accommodations, complimentary dining options, entertainment, medallion class experience, free activities across the ship, free soft serve ice cream, free water, standard coffee and tea, free continental breakfast that you can order using the door hanger provided in your stateroom. Alright, let's talk about the other costs that you can expect if you're doing Princess Standard. Gratuities. This is a per person per day charge that is charged based on the stateroom type that you are staying in. This ranges from $17 to $19 per day per person. If you're a person that needs to stay connected at sea, Wi-Fi starts at $24.99 per day if purchasing for the entire cruise, or $29.99 for a single day use. Princess offers packages from 1 to 4 devices, and Platinum and Elite guests will receive a 50% discount. If you purchase ahead, that Platinum and Elite discount will be applied on board in the form of an onboard credit.
Next, let's talk about Plus. If you want to up your cruise experience a little bit, you can buy Princess Plus. If you're someone that wants a more all-inclusive cruise style experience, the Plus package is the perfect way to go. Here's everything you can expect to have in the Plus package.
Alright, now let's talk about Princess Plus and everything that is included with that. With this, you get one Wi-Fi device per guest. You also get your gratuities, and it does not matter what room you're in, it will cover them completely. Up to 15 alcoholic drinks per day, up to $15 each. Unlimited juice bar and unlimited non-alcoholic drinks are also included. With this, you also get 2 premium desserts per day, 2 fitness classes per cruise, and 2 casual specialty dining meals per guest. Ocean Now delivery, as well as free room service delivery. Current pricing is $60 per person per day. When you factor in the $24.99 a day for Wi-Fi and the $17 to $19 a day for gratuities, it does not take much to come out ahead on this package.
Now let's talk about Premier. Premier is the top package you can get with Princess. It comes with many inclusions. Here's everything you can expect to have included in your Premier package.
Next, let's talk about our favorite package, the Princess Premier package. With this package, you get up to 4 Wi-Fi devices per guest, your crew appreciation, unlimited alcoholic beverages up to $20 each, and unlimited juice bar and every other non-alcoholic drink. You also get unlimited premium desserts, unlimited fitness classes, a photo package, unlimited specialty dining, reserved theater seating, and unlimited casual dining meals, on top of the Ocean Now delivery and room service delivery. Current pricing for this package is $90 per person per day. If you are someone who's traveling and working, this package can be a great value, being able to keep your devices connected all the time. Or if you just want to share the extra Wi-Fi devices with your kids. We especially love the unlimited specialty dining with this, and it is a great value.
For us, we personally love the fact that we get 4 Wi-Fi devices. When we're working and traveling, it's a must to have all of our devices connected. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, filmed live from the Discovery Princess. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or leave a comment below. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.